Hi, this is Nick from JaggerFoods.com. Today I wanted to show you the new electric fireplace that we got. We got this online. It comes with 3 different colors. Let me see if I can do a demo here. Orange, blue, orange blue, or does that look like purple? And then back to orange again. It came with 2 different rocks for this tray in the front here. We put in the clear ones. The other set was like a chalky white stone color. So we went with the clear diamond look. This thing also gives off heat, so that's a bonus. And it has a timing setting. So you set it on in the evening, it'll go on or it'll shut itself off after 30 minutes. We really like the way this looked, and it was one of the reasons why we bought it. But when we got it home, one thing that we noticed right away that I personally believe they photoshopped during the demonstrations is the electrical cord to plug it in. It looked completely different. So we went ahead and built this box to cover the cord. I'm going to take it off and you'll get to see what it looks like without the cord covered. And there it is. It looks messy. It's not the clean finished look that they had. And I went ahead online and looked up some videos to see how what we could build to go around this. One gentleman had gone so far as to build a false wall. Of course, he also had a TV set on top, but he did this foot thing out and framed in the whole unit. This was a little bit more than what I wanted to time-wise and money-wise. He spent like $500 to get that done. I was looking for a little bit cheaper fix for this particular job, so I went ahead and built this box. Really simple. I've got 2 hooks that you can see right here that I hang it on. All I did was make this frame, and then for my front I went ahead and just used pallet wood. So I didn't even buy this. I just picked it up and cut it to length. All in all, I spent $12 on this. A much cheaper fix than what the other gentleman had offered. Again, you can see it without the box, and then just to hang it up, it'll be so much easier also to access the electrical outlet itself. So what we wanted overall, rather than just having the cord up here hanging below, was a nice clean look. The pallet wood gives it a little bit of a rustic charm. So when I'm ready to put this back up, I just simply come up underneath here and hang it on my hook hangers. And it covers the whole thing. Perfect. To complement it, we went ahead and stained our little shelf here the same color, and it ties in with our black frame. So overall, I like the overall appearance that this has. If you're interested in this particular model, we'll have the link for it in the description below. If you have other ideas that you've come up with to hide the electrical cord for this type of furnace, please leave us a comment in the section below. Thank you.